granola is full of That's right, I said the S word, sugar. Now this cereal is brown and boring looking, so it must be healthy, right? Wrong! It's made up of sugar, corn syrup, and caramel coloring. Or as I like to call it, a load of horse sugar. But you know what really gets my little horse going? Quality grass, hay, and alfalfa. And what gets me going is Lakonto Keto Granola. Don't try that at home, but you can try our granola at home. We have a money-back guarantee if it doesn't satisfy you, but I think it will. So try it risk-free at Lakonto.com. Cowboys love two things, guns and zero-calorie sweetness. This granola and all Lakonto products are sweetened the natural way with our monk fruit sweetener. Sweet taste without the negative effects of sugar. Now, just because I'm a cowboy doesn't mean everything has to be done the old-fashioned way. Traditionally, granola has been high in carbs and high in Our granola only has 4 net carbs and no added because we could all use a break from especially this kid. No, the other kid.
Sugar!
Lakonto tastes so good and sweet, your kids won't even miss their sugar-filled cereal.
Tastes like cinnamon toast crunch.
Okay, we can't say that, but it is true. Now run along, little scamp. Go on. I have no idea whose kid that is. It all comes down to the ingredients. Now imagine with me for a moment. Delicious coconut, crunchy almonds, and chia seeds. You don't know what they're good for, but you know they're good for something. Natural vanilla flavor and a touch of salt, like a taste of a sea breeze. And most importantly, that sweet, sumptuous monk fruit sweetener. It has the closest taste to sugar of any zero-calorie sweetener on the market. And it's keto-friendly. So friendly.
Can I go home now?
Ingredients you can feel good about. Simple and all natural. And you can count your lucky charms. It's a better breakfast than any other cereal out there. This granola is grain-free, gluten-free, and free from most allergens. It's good to be free. Hey, little more wind. Right in my face. There is nothing to dislike about any of the ingredients. So it might get stuck in your teeth. Nobody's perfect, but at least it won't be breaking your teeth like some granola out there. That's how I got my gold tooth. Now, not to beat a dead horse, but this is the best grain-free, no-added sugar keto granola on the market. It's never been more convenient to cut the sugar. Buy now at Lakonto.com. Get along, little horsey. Let's go. Yeehaw! Ride like the wind, bullseye. Come on. Let's go. Come on, girl. Anytime. Is this as cool as I think it is? Lakonto, discover your chi.